Now the very first step would be to download Fusion 360. Now for that we are having two options. Either we can download personal use license or we can download educational license. It depends. If you are a hobbyist, then you must download the personal use license, or if you are a student or educator associated with the education institution, you can download the educational license. For both of them, I will be showing you a walkthrough. Now for downloading personal users license, this particular link is there. You can utilize this link, and it is also available in the resources. And for educational license, this particular link is there. Now for both of them, for both the license, you need to sign in, or you must create a Autodesk account. If you already have a Autodesk account, you can just select next over here, or you can create an account by clicking here and providing your details. I already have an account, so I will be just moving forward. Now as soon as I have signed in, I can download Fusion 360 for personal or hobby use. You just have to click here on Get Started and then fill on all the details, and your download link will be available. Now for the second version, the second variant, educational license, here also you have to sign in first. And then you have to click on Get Started. You can also watch this video of how this educational license works for the sake of better understanding. Let's just click here. Then it will again ask you to sign in. And then you will be asked to confirm your eligibility for educational access to this Autodesk product. Not only Fusion 360, you can download all these Autodesk product if you are a student or educator. This is the main difference between a personal license and an educational license. With a personal license, I'm only able to download Fusion 360, but with the educational license, you have a library of softwares of Autodesk. So here you have to click on Get Started. And then you have to provide an identity proof of your educational institution and these three documents regarding your legal name, the name of your education institution, and a date within the current school term. So this does not falls in my category because it's been a decade since I have passed my engineering. So this will not be applicable to me. So I will be using personal license only. And as soon as you have downloaded the software for personal uses, you will get this message: personal, not for commercial use.